Jake, what if I told you that you can create passive income streams while learning English starting with $0?
I'd say that's exactly what we've been doing, and it's working.
Right. So today we're sharing 5 passive income methods perfect for English learners. These require time up front, but generate income while you sleep.
And all of them force you to use English, so you're improving constantly. Let's start with idea number 1, creating digital products.
What kind of digital products?
Ebooks, templates, printables, guides, checklists. Once created, they sell forever without additional work.
Give me a specific example.
I created a 30-day English learning planner, a printable PDF with daily tracking sheets. Took me 1 weekend to design on Canva.
Where do you sell it?
Etsy, Gumroad, Teachers Pay Teachers, listed it for $5. It sold 200 plus copies with 0 additional effort after uploading.
That's $1,000 from 1 weekend's work?
Exactly. And creating it helped my English. I had to write clear instructions, engaging descriptions, professional marketing copy.
What other digital products work well?
Resume templates, social media graphics bundles, budget spreadsheets, meal planning templates, study guides for any subject.
All created once? Sold infinitely?
Yes, true passive income. Idea number 2, affiliate marketing through content creation.
Explain this for people unfamiliar with affiliate marketing.
You recommend products, share special links, and earn commission when people buy through your link. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service.
What platforms work for this?
Amazon Associates is easiest for beginners, ClickBank for digital products, Share a Sale for various categories.
But how do you get people to use your links?
Create valuable content, blog posts, YouTube videos, social media content that naturally includes product recommendations.
So you might write a blog post, Best Books for Learning English, with affiliate links to those books.
Exactly. Or make a YouTube video, My Favorite Productivity Apps, with affiliate links in the description.
And how is this passive?
Once the content is created and ranked on Google or YouTube, it generates traffic and sales automatically for months or years. I have blog posts from last year still generating $50 to $100 monthly from affiliate commissions.
And creating this content improves your English?
Massively. You're writing articles, recording videos, engaging with audiences, constant English practice in professional contexts.
Idea number 3, online courses or educational content.
This is powerful. Create a course teaching something you know, upload to Udemy or Teachable, earn money every time someone enrolls.
What can people teach?
Anything. Your native language to English speakers, a professional skill, a hobby, cooking from your culture, music, art, fitness.
And once the course is recorded, it's completely passive.
Yes, students can take it anytime. You might update it occasionally, but mostly it runs itself.
And how much can you earn from a course?
Depends on topic and price. Some course creators make $500 a month from one course. Others make $5,000 plus monthly from multiple courses.
And creating the course content requires extensive English writing and speaking.
Absolutely. You're scripting lessons, recording presentations, writing descriptions, engaging with students, comprehensive English practice.
Now, idea number 4, YouTube channel monetization with evergreen content.
Evergreen means content that stays relevant.
Yes, not news or trends, but timeless topics. How to tie a tie, basic cooking skills, math tutorials, language learning tips.
Why is this passive?
Because once uploaded, videos earn ad revenue forever. A video from 2 years ago can still generate income today.
How much can you realistically earn?
Varies widely. Small channels make $100 to $500 monthly. Larger channels make thousands. But it takes time to build. Don't expect quick money.
What's the benefit for English learners?
You're scripting videos, practicing speaking on camera, responding to comments, learning video editing terminology, all in English.
Plus, you're building a valuable skill and audience.
Exactly. Even if income starts small, you're creating a platform that compounds over time.
Now, idea number 5, print-on-demand stores.
Explain print on demand for everyone.
You design graphics for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, etc. When someone orders, a company prints and ships it. You never touch inventory.
So it's truly passive. You just upload designs.
Yes, platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, Printful handle everything except design and marketing.
And what kind of designs sell?
Funny quotes, niche hobbies, professional themes, inspirational messages, pop culture references, hobby-specific designs.
Give me an example.
I created designs for teachers, like coffee, teach, repeat, educator life, best teacher ever, uploaded them to Redbubble. Those designs have generated passive sales for 8 months now, maybe $200 to $300 total, but zero work after initial upload.
And creating designs requires English?
If you're designing for English-speaking markets, yes. Understanding culture, humor, current phrases, all require English proficiency.
Now let's talk about realistic expectations. How long until these become truly passive?
Great question. The first 3 to 6 months require active work, creating content, building audiences, testing what works.
So it's not passive immediately?
No, you invest time up front. Then it becomes increasingly passive as your assets accumulate and compound.
And what's the minimum time investment to get started?
You could start any of these with 5 to 10 hours of focused work. Create your first digital product this weekend, launch your first affiliate content, record your first course module.
And then build consistently over time?
Yes, 1 new product per month, 2 blog posts per week, 1 video weekly. Consistent, small efforts compound massively. Now let's talk about common questions. Do I need to be an expert to create courses or content?
What's your answer?
You need to know more than your target audience. If you're teaching English basics, you don't need to be fluent. If you're teaching something you've done professionally for 2 years, you're qualified.
And how do I market these products without spending money?
Free methods. SEO for blog content, YouTube organic reach, Pinterest for visual products, social media engagement, Reddit communities, Facebook groups.
Invest time in marketing instead of money.
Exactly. Time is your currency when you're starting with $0. Now, what if my English isn't perfect?
This is a big concern for many people.
Your English doesn't need to be perfect. Many successful content creators have accents or make occasional mistakes. Authenticity matters more than perfection.
And imperfect English proves that you can achieve success, which is inspiring to other learners.
Great point. Your journey becomes part of your brand.
Let's create an action plan. Week 1, what should someone do?
Choose one idea from our list. Don't try all 5. Focus on what excites you most and matches your skills.
Week 2?
Create your first piece of content or product. 1 ebook, 1 blog post with affiliate links, 1 course outline, 1 YouTube video, or 10 print designs.
Week 3?
Launch it. Upload to platforms, share on social media, tell friends and family. Get your first product into the world.
Week 4?
Analyze results. What worked? What didn't? Create your second product or content piece, applying what you learned.
And continue this cycle?
Yes. Month by month, you build a portfolio of passive income assets. Some will succeed, some won't. Keep what works, discontinue what doesn't. Now let's talk about the compounding effect. This is where passive income gets exciting.
Explain compounding.
Your first digital product makes $10 a month. Not impressive, but your 5th product also makes $10 a month. Now you have $50 a month.
And as you create more, income stacks.
Exactly. 20 products at $10 each equals $200 a month.
And older products improve as they get reviews and rankings.
I know creators who have 50+ products, each generating $5 to $50 monthly. That's $250 to $2,500 total passive income.
all while they're improving English constantly by creating content?
Yes, the perfect combination: income generation and skill building.
All right, final motivational points. Why should someone start building passive income today?
Because time compounds. Starting today means you could have income-generating assets in 3 months that work for years.
Waiting means missing out on that compounding?
Exactly. The best time to start was a year ago. The second best time is today. Plus, building passive income teaches valuable skills: content creation, marketing, business thinking, customer psychology.
All learned through English.
All learned through English. You become more proficient, more confident, more professionally capable.
And you prove to yourself that you can create value and earn money independently.
The confidence boost is real. You're not just learning English, you're building an entrepreneur.